Let there be no confusion. Anyone in the world today who attempts to recognize a Palestinian state will receive a response from us on the ground, not through documents, decisions or declarations, but through concrete actions, houses, neighborhoods, roads and Jewish families building their lives. They will talk about the false Palestinian dream. We will continue to build a concrete Jewish reality.
שבונות חיים. הם ידברו על החלום השקרי הפלסטיני. אנחנו נמשיך לבנות מציאות יהודית מגשימה.
On this important day, I call on Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to apply Israeli sovereignty in Judea and Samaria, to abandon once and for all the idea of partitioning the country, and to ensure that by September the hypocritical European leaders will have nothing left to recognise.
ולוודא שעד ספטמבר למנהיגים הצבועים באירופה פשוט לא יהיה במה להכיר. עם ישראל